Mathematicians, I'm curious about something. Have you ever heard your teachers or maybe even your parents say, did you double check your answer? Go back and show your work. Did you double check your work? I bet you've heard that before. Again, maybe from your teacher or your parents. Well, mathematicians, today we are going to take a look at solving triple-digit problems using more than one strategy. Are you ready? I know you're ready. Let's get busy. All right. I can solve addition problems using more than one strategy. I know that may seem like a lot of work, but mathematicians, again, you have come so far this school year. I know this is going to be a piece of cake for you. Now I want cake. All right. Anyway, we're going to solve 439 plus 439. Remember from our other videos, we took a look at a lot of different strategies. What we're going to do is choose two of them. And I want you to choose two strategies that you really feel comfortable with. Remember that math is just so unique where there are multiple ways that you can solve a problem to find your answer. What's important, scholars, is that you find a way that makes sense to you. I want you to feel confident with at least two strategies, though. That way you can always go back and double check your work. And that's what we're going to do here. I am going to be using two different strategies today. I'm going to use a number line, as I'm sure you can see my open number line right now. I will also be using place value notation, which is just like our place value block. Are you ready? Okay, let's get started. So 439 plus 439. Right away I can tell, okay, I'm doubling 439. So let's go ahead and start at 439. So they're the same number. It doesn't matter which one I start with. So I need to add 439 more. I want to start with my hundreds. To do that, I need to take a look here. 439. Well, there's 4 in my hundreds place. So I need to add 400. Okay. Well, if there's 4 in my hundreds place, I can use that to help me. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. So that means 400 plus 400, well, that's 800. Huh. Okay, so when I'm adding 400 more, all I need to know is that it's 800. But don't forget, I have a 3 in the tens place and 9 in the ones place. So it's going to end up being 839. Well, that takes care of our hundreds. Let's look at our tens next. We have a 3 in the tens place. 3 tens, well, that's 30. I have 839 right now. I need to add 30 more. 30 is 3 tens. So I need to focus on my tens place this time. If I have 3 in my tens place in 839 and I'm adding 3 more tens, I can use 3 plus 3 to help me. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. So that means 3 tens plus 3 tens is 6 tens. 6 tens is 60. So my 839 is going to become 869. Okay, we've taken care of the hundreds. We've taken care of the tens. Now let's look at our ones. We have 9 ones. Okay, so I noticed we have 869. 9 ones is really close to 10. In fact, it's only 1 away. So what if we did this? What if we took 9 apart and made it 1 plus 8? So that we can add 1 to 869 to get to 870. Then all we have to do is add in those 8 extra ones, and we'll have an answer. 878. We solved it! Yay! And the crowd goes wild. Not so fast. We need to go back and double check our work. And to do that, we are going to solve this in another way. I am going to use place value notation. Place value notation is exactly like your place value blocks, except that you can draw them. Hundreds are represented with boxes or squares. Tens are represented with sticks. Ones are represented with circles. Let's draw 439 in place value notation. 100, 200, 300, 400. Now, 3 tens, 10, 20, 30. 9 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have to double that because I'm adding 439 to this. So let's do that. Let's double it. 100, 200, 300, 400. 10, 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I want to start with my ones because I can see that I have more than 10. So why don't I create a 10? That would be easier, wouldn't it? So let's look at our ones here and let's take 10 ones and make it into a 10. So let's mark off 10 ones here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I took away 10 ones, but I have to replace it with a 10. So there we go. So those 10 ones, that became a 10. Well, let's put this all together now. Let's start with our hundreds. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Okay. We've got 8 in the hundreds place, so that checks out. Now let's try our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 is 7 tens. We have 7 in the tens place. So far, so good. Let's look at our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. And we have 8 in the ones place. We did it. Yay for us. I think because we solved this twice, we should give ourselves some fireworks. Ooh, Mathematicians, I'm so proud of you. I want you to put this to practice now. When you are solving triple digits or any problem, solve it with one strategy. Then check your answer with another strategy. Can you do it? I know you can. Mathematicians, good luck.